Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add Grammarly extension to Word. And here's how it's done. Step 1. Open Microsoft Word. First things first, open Microsoft Office Online. This is your starting point if you haven't installed Word on your computer. Step 2. Open a blank document. Once you're in Word, open a blank document. This will be your work this will be your workspace. This will be your workspace where you can test Grammarly once it is added. You can freely type or paste content here for Grammarly to evaluate. Step 3. Navigate to the Home menu. At the top of your screen in Word, locate the Home tab. This menu bar contains several tabs like Insert, Draw, and Home. It is your gateway to customizing your Word experience. Step 4. Access add-ons. Within the Home tab, find and click on Add-ons. This section allows you to enhance Word's functionality with various plugins and extensions, including Grammarly. Step 5. Search for Grammarly. In the Add-ins window, use the search bar to type in Grammarly and hit Enter. Grammarly for Microsoft Word will likely appear as the top result, since it is a popular grammar checking tool. Step 6. Add Grammarly. Once you locate Grammarly in the search results, click Add. This will begin the process integrating Grammarly with your Word application. You may be prompted to sign in or create Grammarly account if you don't already have one. And that is everything you know about how to add Grammarly extension to Word.